Top 8. Best Whitewater Kayaks. Easy. There was usually only a handful of models available, and you simply picked the one you fit into and could afford. Number 8. Wavesport Diesel. They usually stick with it. After all, why fix what's not broken? But that is exactly what Wavesport did. They redesigned the popular diesel. But whether it is luck or lessons learned, they managed to improve on what many believed was already top-notch. Available in 3 sizes. Very predictable resurfacing. Provide better fit for taller riders. Number 7. Liquidlogic Braap. Is not the only thing unusual about this boat. With a long round hull, low volume stern, and pronounced rocker, this is a craft that looks different than almost anything else on the water. This boat is designed to be as fun as the name implies. The sharp design allows for easy carving, fast turning ability and eddy lines. Operates well on a variety of water conditions. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Whitewater Kayaks or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 6. Jackson Kayak Mix Master. Reminds you of the good old days of the Beastie Boys. It is no coincidence. Jackson want to take you back to the early days of whitewater kayaking. But they did so in more than just the name. They brought back old school design as well. The low volume, improved ergonomics and shape. Excellent vertical possibilities. Squirts are almost second nature. Number 5. Zet Kayaks Toro, boats. With the Toro, they wanted to build on that by providing a design that was longer, streamlined, and more versatile. Those who have been lucky enough to take one for a spin or two all agree mission accomplished. The hybrid hull design allows the boat to sit high. Solid construction. Cell seat design will not absorb water. Rocker placement allows for quick acceleration. Number 4. Riot Kayaks Magnum 80. Customers have big expectations. They want to be able to hit the biggest, steepest waters on their bucket list without failure. Riot has taken on the challenge, and they have delivered. With a well-thought-out design that includes the right combination of length and shape. Improved seat and cockpit design makes this a comfortable ride. A nice feature if overnighting. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Whitewater Kayaks or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Pyranha 9RL. But find that your larger body size makes that uncomfortable? If so, the 9RL was designed specifically for you. This big brother to the already popular 9R will not only provide the fit you are looking for, but the performance as well. Size is of course the greatest advantage. Comfortable even after long days. Amazingly fast as well as maneuverable. Number 2. Dagger Mamba. Suitable for everyone from the novice to the die-hard paddler, and their answer was the Mamba. With an increased interest in whitewater kayaking, but fewer paddlers willing to forego all other luxuries, while spending every dime on a garage full of specialty kayaks. Stable design and rounded stern. Provides an easy-to-roll craft. Building confidence in beginners. Number 1. Pyranha Machno. In the 9R, Pyranha has developed a craft that feels right at home on a wide range of waters. Whether you are a beginner tooling around your local Class 3, or an advanced paddler speeding down your favorite Class V, the Machno is able to meet all your needs. Redesigned thigh hooks and softer. Increased comfort and adjustability. Available in 2 sizes. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Whitewater Kayaks or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.